Reimagining the word, reimagine. Hello dear viewers. Today, we are going to dive deep into an interesting English phrase, reimagine. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. The word, reimagine, is made up of two parts, re and imagine. 1. Re. This prefix often means again or back. It indicates repetition or doing something over. 2. Imagine, to form a mental image or concept of something. It's about visualizing or thinking about something that might not be real or tangible. Together, when you reimagine, it means to think about something again in a new or different way. Reimagine is a versatile word, and here are some examples to help you understand its use. 1. Innovation. Companies might reimagine a product, meaning they think about it in a new way to improve or change it. 2. E.g., the company decided to reimagine its smartphone design to make it more user-friendly. 3. Art and literature. Artists or writers might reimagine classic works to give them a modern twist. 4. E.g., the director reimagined the classic play with a futuristic setting. 5. Personal growth. People might reimagine their careers or lives when they want a change. 6. E.g., after a decade in finance, she reimagined her career and started a bakery. Understanding synonyms can help to further grasp the meaning of a word. Here are some synonyms for reimagine. Rethink. To consider something again, especially in order to change it. Revise. To reconsider and alter something in the light of further evidence. Reinvent. To change something so much that it appears to be entirely new. Each synonym has its nuances, but they all orbit around the idea of seeing or thinking about something in a fresh way. So, there you have it. The word reimagine is all about looking at something with a new perspective or vision. Whether you're talking about products, art, or personal goals, it's a beautiful term that captures the essence of innovation and change. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning for you. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and creativity they spark. Happy learning!